Hello, my people. Good day to you all. Welcome to God Send the Precious TV. Guys, if today na your first day for see this our video, make you subscribe for us. Thumbs up for us. Share our video. Drop a comment for us. For our old time and subscribe. We love you now well. We thank you now for the love you guys share for us. We thank you now for always dey watch our video. We thank you now for sharing our video. For love us, we thank you guys for the love you guys have for us. We thank you now well. I dey always dey talk am for this our TV. Say we dey talk about many things. But we say hair. If you want buy Weavon human hair, we dey sell Brazilian hair, all kind of hair you need. We dey sell am well for here. We dey sell clothes, gown, mama's gown. We dey sell am shoe. We dey sell am, and we still dey talk about wetin our eye see for life and wetin we experience for life and wetin our friend, our neighbor experience for life. We dey use am to dey encourage people, and then we still dey use am to dey tell people, because you no fit wait make the thing happen to you first before you take get sense. So we dey talk and come out. We talk and come out. People wey lis ten, we watch our video, they go still use am still take get sense. Na we dey do for this our TV, and we still dey talk about love, because if you love your neighbor, when you love yourself, God in heaven will be happy with you. We talk about love. We talk about cave in this our TV. So today, my brother just call me for house. So he say, sister, I say, what did they happen? He mentioned one of my town person. He said, this my town person, he commit suicide though. He kill himself. I said, why? How? He drink poison. I be waiting. He said, he kill himself. He just sleep. He not wake up. I was say, why now? He said, no, because of what if they talk, my people. When I know what the man they cry the put. He said, your wife, not born boy. When I did Nigeria at that time, he married first wife. That one born 6 girls for her. He married second wife. That one born 3 girls for us. So I see me come out now, and me come out for Nigeria because they tell me say the man, they drink, the man never they go work again, they do anything again. So before I left Nigeria, the man was a very strong, hard-working man. But the only problem the man have, he always talk about lineage. My lineage is gone. Even my grandmother can't even ask her, say, boy pikin girl pikin no be the same. All na the same na. You born boy, you born girl. Pikin na pikin. He say no. I see your born girls full achawo, full as nana. All of the young married nana, they not go bear in name. All in name die. And my mother could say, you know see mama Osaro. Na you pikin girl, na you carry go city. You know see mama Evelyn. Na Evelyn, na carry go city. Osaro the woman, they don't when my grandmother call talk. He say, "She you see mama Osaro. Na you pikin woman, na carry go city. Osaro marry nana. He abandon him mama. He face his family. But na so we be pikin. Na he carry go Benin. Na he make him mama Osaro come to say Benin. Stay for city so. The man say, you no concern am o. He need man o. He need me charge o. You no concern am o. He come there before me come on for house. He come after me come on for house. They say he come still marry another wife. That one come born girls. He come still marry another one again. That was 4. The last one. That one come born 4. Guess. How many children? 6 plus 4. 10 plus 3, 13 plus 2, 15 children. Guess. My people, now the women hand, now 40 day have been at the man hand, now the 40 day. Mona drop the answer for comment o. That can still pass. So they come tell the man say, the mistake na your hand the deal. Not be your woman hand do. They your woman hand, you marry first one, you born guess, second one guess, third one guess, fourth one guess. You know, say no be the woman hand, na the women hand na can't deal. The woman say he need so. If you not see son, he go die. The man started drinking, started misbehaving. If to the extent, if the man go farm, he go forget himself for farm, sleep, he no go remember to call us. The next day, before he go call us, so the man no come even dey eat, come dey drink. This hard-working man before, all the name of Meshach, he come just bless himself. Can they drink, can they misbehave, can they do anyhow, can they do many things. And me today, even the first wife, because me I hear her saying first wife, is now 6 children, now first wife born for her. So among the 6 children, one, now only one, they Nigeria. The remaining one, they say that they Europe. They can't see builders before the papa. Papa said no, he need man charge. He no need anything. The man can come out before his wife come for market. He come run enter motor, go village. Come the stay village. His wife will come the first one now come they cry, come they beg the children, make them help her talk to the papa, beg the family of the man, make them help her talk to her husband. They talk to her and the man not take. If I still call my brother, I'll say, my brother, what about Papa Evelyn? He go say, Papa Evelyn. That be small, Papa Evelyn don't talk to drunk out. It is to the extent the man on the street now they sleep till daybreak. If he drink finish, he goes throw himself, he go sleep for outside or any place where you see now in they sleep. And because they are so serious, he said not be small thing, not be small, not be small. Now it made me come out today, my sister. Because I don't know whether because say me I get 3 girls, or because na 3 kids I get, all of them are gay. Whether because say na gay I get, that make me say boy pikin, boy girl pikin, would that not be the same? My sister, wanna see me drop out for comment below. If girl pikin or boy pikin, the one with special pass, me I don't know for my own pikin, na pikin. So whether because say me girls, they make me the talk more. I don't know. For my own understanding, boy and girl on the same. Me, I never see person where die. Say he born, he won't die. They can't put him picking his son, join grave, go heaven, or God call and say, "Come today na your day, oh, Papa Joseph, oh, today na your day, oh, may you come, oh, carry Joseph follow body, oh." I've never heard that before. Or Papa Joshua, today is your day, oh God, I need your soul today. Carry Joseph, call body call. I have never heard that before. Guys, if you have heard that before, you guys should still make me understand, because me I don't know, boy or girl, but that they not be the same. For my own understanding, all of them pikin are pikin. You hear me? You drop on the man and come me so side. May you tell me the reason why man go kill himself? Because say lineage. My lineage won't die. My lineage won't die. If they marry Nana, they'll be their husband's only. If they marry Nana, now their husband's only they're gonna be. If they marry Nana, my lineage on there. Tell me what to concern lineage, concern person we don't. What is the important for life? Say, man, you born, your children take care of you. Not be that one important. Children take care of you. They give you better life. They take care of you very well. Not be that one important. Because our people, they make parable say, if father, parents born a child at the end of the time, child will still born the parents. Not be so. If they say if man born a son, at the end of the time, a son will take care of the man, or son will take care of the family. Me, I never heard that one before. Children is children, either man or boy. Either man or female. Male or female, children na children. Me, I never heard that one before. They hear me? So, my dear lovely family in the house, Mona still tell me, Mona, make me come out today. Tell me the reason why human being, God never call your soul. You commit suicide because say you not born man. that one dey happen. I don't know, that make me come out. So I beg my people, wanna still help me talk about this matter so that another day the word when I tell wetin I talk for the comment na im go make me come out another day make we still come talk the part two, because I need the answer. Because na question I ask, I need answer. Whether pikin no be pikin or pikin special pass pikin, girl or boy no be the same. I don't know. Mona still make me understand, because me I see the reason since morning. Say ma go kill himself because say village or you not get boy pikin or you not get man pikin. God bless you with 15 girls, 15 children, girls. You no reach where you go kill yourself because of you not get boy. You not get boy. Nah. You don't pay me. Nah. Tell me, as you die, and say how will you get boy? They want put the boy on top of you. Or if you reach heaven, they go carry share way big give you. Say because you win, you get boy. Not be die, my people. Mama help me ask the man. Boy na boy. Sorry, pikin na pikin. Why be say we were there human, we were there this life? We know they ever they certify. What did God give us? You know they ever they I don't know if I want to talk. We never ever the belleful for what did God give us. Who not get? They find they go say, I wish I see one. Even though not get, even though not boy. You were God blessed with 15 children. You say no, you need boy, oh, your little age go die, oh, your little age go die, oh. Commit suicide because of her. I beg my children. Now that one, my brothers and sisters, sorry. I beg my brothers and sisters. Now that one, I made me come out today, oh. When I help me vandalize the matter. May we vandalize and well. Whether to born boy or to born girl, the reason why person they kill self because say I not born boy, you not born boy. I bet before I go, business is business. That one another person matter. I just come and talk and say may we tell you and get experience, may we tell you and get sense. So that as you watch this video, you share who see they pass through that condition. You go see use and get sense, because girl and boy, all of them are the same. So may I talk about my business, because my business I they do. So my product, I get product for you. When I don't say I fat, say I dey sell product, but I fat, I get new pikin. When I see they give breast, I cause some. When I don't look my breast, when I look my product. This product, sorry guys, this product is called Fit Screamer. Fit Scream Tel. Yes, it's called Fit Scream Tel. If you are interested, inbox me. Because sorry say I not talk well, because the teachers they provoke me this morning. I they provoke say how you might be go kill say because say he not born boy. What did that one mean now? Boy again not be the same. See my business. This day he work hard, very real. He work real. Just provide. Sorry. Just order your own. If you order it, you will know what I'm saying. It's real. It dey work well. Just try it. It not too cost. Now small money. If you dey buy card, they call Nigeria. You dey subscribe for your phone. You dey do subscription. You go feel afford them because you know the cost. I just shake it change. If you are interested, just inbox me. Inbox me. I go tell you how you. Me, you know this is where you do. I must surely provide it for you. Where you dey not the important. I go provide it for you. If you need any kind of hair you get, even the one that I put on, just inbox me. I will deliver it to you. I get. If you want any hair, just go through my video. You will see it. Anyone you see, screenshot it and send it for me. I will deliver 100% deliver. I will deliver it to you. As I they talked before, this question when I ask, I beg my people, make una answer me. Make una drop am for comment below, so that we will talk about this topic. We go talk another day, because it never end. We never vandalize am. I want make we vandalize am. Make we see the reason why man go commit suicide because of village. Who no born dey fine? Who born? He say na so he no get girl. I mean, he no get boy. He need village. Ask me wetin village dey help. Who village dey help? Village dey follow person dey go grave. So for me, your children take care of you. Make them do you well. Take care of you before God call you. You go kill yourself because say you no born boy. More na see the matter, my sister, and my business. Now see they talk. If you guys are interested, more call me. I'm available. God said that Precious is available every time. See you in my next video. For our old timers subscribe, we really thank you guys. We appreciate. As you watch this video, you never touch that red button. You never subscribe for us. What are you waiting for? Subscribe, 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 subscribe. God bless you. Bye. See you in my next video, guys.